Yes, hello.
Hello, this is Mary. How you doing this morning? I
Oh,
mean,
yes.
afternoon. I'm glad. I'm glad. I was calling because I've been texting you about the house. I believe you responded, or I'm not sure if it's your wife or your mom. Someone responded to me like, "Yes, we plan of selling this house."
But what is your offer?
I mean, it really depends on the condition of the house. That's why I'm calling. I would like
Okay, the
to.
house got a brand new roof, which is about 3 years old. The house got a $80,000 brand new solar system, which is not even connected yet. They might connected it by mid-February or beginning of March. So the house is in good condition, and I'm in no rush to sell that house unless I have a price that make me change my mind. That's all.
Oh, okay. So that's not really interested in selling or have any plans
No,
to relocate.
I gotta have a minimum of at least 350 to even start thinking about selling this home. Man.
Okay. So let's say you can sell for market value and money is not an issue. Like, what would you do next? Like, what would be next for you?
No, I mean once I get at least what I need, then I'll start thinking, of making the transaction, man.
We do have buyers that pay market value. I do see some houses here going for high 379, 325.
Well, I could tell you, I have an evaluator that was there last week. She showed me on my area, you have houses that go 400,000. By the way, my house, I know they have it listed at 1,400. It's not 1,400. It's 1,950, 1,950 square foot.
Square feet? Okay.
Yeah, and then it's not a 4-2. It is a 5-3. It is a five
Oh,
bedroom, three bath,
okay.
and
Perfect.
also he has an underground pool.
Perfect. Perfect. And everything is working fine, like you told me.
Yes, man.
Okay. I believe my buyer will be interested. We work with institutional buyers who pay more than, it's not like a cash offer. It's a cash offer, but these institutional buyers appreciate better the properties. And you already had the property appreciated. We definitely believe that we could present you with an offer and some options that you may be interested. I mean, if you sell this five-bedroom home, like I imagine you will downsize, keep your money, and look for a smaller house.
Well, I got many options. I got many other options.
Okay. So you will stay local, anyways.
Well, maybe yes, maybe no.
Well, I'm glad that you have options because I have a lot of friends that are going to North Carolina, and I'm like, you all leaving me behind. They don't like
Yeah.
to live in Florida anymore. But I tell you this is my not commitment. I would like my partner to go by, meet you, and see how much we can offer you and if we can come up to the market value. I mean, if the house is in great shape, the way you're saying, it's a bigger house, and you're not in a rush. So, worst case, it takes 3, 4 months to sell, and you start planning what you're gonna do with your money.
Well, all I can say is once whoever come in looking at it and give me close to what I'm looking for, then hey,
Yeah,
let's just make the deal.